Hi, welcome to this very short, sharp video looking at one example of products of prime factors. Okay, so in this video, I'm looking at just one example, okay, and explaining what I mean by writing a number as a product of prime factors. Okay, this is aimed at both foundation and higher tier, and it does appear on the advanced information for Edexcel, AQA and OCR for the summer 2022 exams. Now, if you're watching this in the future tense, okay, for next academic year or the academic year after that, okay, then this is still appropriate revision, okay, and it's appropriate even for key stage 3 maths actually, okay, and also like year 10 students here and even year 12 students here, or anyone that is revising their GCSE level maths, okay, it's appropriate for IGCSE, okay, CIE, WJC, and all the other examples. Okay, feel free to obviously pause the video actually, try the question first, and then press play when you're ready. So, expressing 36 as a product of its prime factors. Product in maths means to multiply. Prime factors, so it's writing 36 as prime numbers multiplied together. So we need to know what our prime numbers are. So our prime numbers, okay, are 2, 3, 5, 7, okay, 11, 13, okay, and we're gonna go up to just, 17, and then 19, okay, and then 23. Okay, I'm not gonna go any further actually, okay, but if you're not sure what a prime number is, then it has by definition two factors, one in itself. If you're wondering what a factor is, it's a number that goes into another number without giving a remainder. Okay, so what I mean by that actually is, so the factors of 2 are 1 and 2, okay, because 1 and 2 multiply to give me 2, okay. 1's a factor of 2 and 2's a factor of 2, okay, and a little disclaimer here that 1 is not a prime number and that 2 is the only even prime number, okay, it's the only even prime integer we say. Okay, 1 is not prime, okay, so if you're thinking, why have I not put like a 1 on there, 1 is not a prime number, okay, so a big cross there, okay, for 1. So it's not prime. So, decomposing this, okay, 36 is made up of doing 6 times 6, okay, or 12 times 3, okay, or 2 times 18, okay. 6 decomposes into 2 and 3. Okay, now I'm going to stop here actually and obviously locking off these numbers, okay, and circling them, because I recognise that 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, okay, so I can't decompose these numbers any further, okay, because there are no other factors, okay, of 2 and 3 other than itself and 1. Okay, so 36 is now written as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Or I can write it as 2 to the power of 2, because 2 times 2 can be written as index form, times 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 can be written as 3 squared, or 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so 36, guys, okay, if we're not sure, is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay. So they are prime numbers multiplied together to give me 36. Okay, now in the exam, if it was worth, let's say, 2 marks, then you would have to write it in its component form. So you'd have to write it as a power, okay, in its simplest form, okay, because no one likes to write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, yeah, like several times. So you'd write it as like a power. Okay, so 1 mark would be awarded for that. The second mark is knowing your rules of powers and writing it as an index, okay, because 2 to the power of 2 actually means 2 squared, which means 2 times 2, and 3 squared just means 3 times 3, okay. and you can always check your answer. 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 times 9 is 36, okay, 4 lots of 9 is 36, okay, and that does confirm my answer. Okay, so that's it today, guys, for the short, sharp video. Okay, I thought I'd make it short, snappy, and to the point. Okay, any questions, any queries, put it in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, it goes without saying, please do hit that subscribe button, drop this video a like, and also click that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads as we approach the summer 2022 exam season. Okay, but I'm covering topics that are from the advanced information for the summer 2022 exams. Now, of course, if you watch this in the future tense, okay, for next year or the academic year after, then this is still appropriate revision and appropriate work for Key Stage 3 students this year, and also Introduction to Key Stage 4 maths, okay? But it is actually revising your knowledge on prime numbers, factors, okay, and also indices, okay, and writing numbers as index powers, okay? But this is examinable for both foundation and higher tier, so it's got a crossover topic. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.